The ultimate guide to vertical gardening, choosing the right plants. Ready to take your gardening to new heights? Discover the best plants for vertical gardens and transform your space into a lush green oasis. Vertical gardening is an innovative way to grow plants on a vertical surface. It's perfect for small spaces, balconies, or anyone looking to add a unique touch to their garden. This method maximizes space and adds visual appeal. Plus, it can improve air quality and even insulate walls. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive in vertical gardens. They're easy to grow and provide fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Herbs such as mint, basil, and parsley are also excellent choices. They add fragrance and flavor to your garden and meals. Ensure these plants receive adequate sunlight and moisture. Regular harvesting encourages continued growth. Strawberries are a delightful addition to any vertical garden. Their cascading growth habit makes them visually appealing. Choose ever-bearing varieties for a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Provide well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. Protect the fruits from pests with netting if necessary. Enjoy fresh, homegrown strawberries right from your vertical garden. Flowering plants add color and beauty to your vertical garden. Petunias, impatiens, and begonias are popular choices. These plants offer a vibrant display of blooms throughout the season. Select varieties that suit your local climate and light conditions. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage more blooms. Fertilize as needed to keep them thriving. Succulents are low maintenance and drought tolerant, making them ideal for vertical gardens. Echeverias, sedums, and sempervivums are great options. Their unique shapes and textures add visual interest. They require minimal watering and can tolerate a range of conditions. Ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. These plants are perfect for beginners and busy gardeners. Trailing plants create a cascading effect, adding drama to your vertical garden. Pothos, ivy, and creeping jenny are excellent choices. Their long vines spill over the edges of containers, creating a lush green curtain. They're easy to propagate and maintain. Provide support for the vines as they grow. These plants are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your space. Certain vegetables can also thrive in vertical gardens. Cherry tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are good options. Provide adequate support for the plants as they grow. Ensure they receive plenty of sunlight and water. Harvest regularly to encourage continued production. Enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables from your vertical garden. Proper plant care is essential for a thriving vertical garden. Regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning are key. Monitor plants for pests and diseases. Address any issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Choose the right soil mix for your plants. Ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Selecting the right structure is crucial for a successful vertical garden. Consider factors such as size, material, and design. Wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, and stacked planters are popular options. Choose a structure that suits your space and aesthetic. Ensure the structure is sturdy and can support the weight of the plants. Proper installation is essential for safety. Ready to transform your space with a stunning vertical garden? By choosing the right plants and providing proper care, you can create a beautiful and productive garden in even the smallest of spaces. Don't wait any longer to start your vertical gardening journey. Ready to create your own stunning vertical garden? Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Visit our website for exclusive deals on vertical gardening supplies and download our free guide to choosing the perfect plants for your space. Start building your dream vertical garden today.